Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Yahoo account. So if you also want to log in Yahoo account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you want to log into Yahoo account, first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar and type in yahoo.com, press enter. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Yahoo. So a Yahoo account gives you access to Yahoo services like Yahoo Mail, Yahoo Sports and Yahoo Finance. So if you also want to log into your Yahoo account, it is actually very simple. At top right corner of your screen you'll be able to find the option for sign in. All you have to do is click on it. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface of Yahoo. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. If you do not have an account, you can also create an account for yourself. Simply click on the option create an account. After that, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. But if you already have an account and if you want to sign in to your account, first of all, what you have to do is enter your username, email or mobile. Or you can also sign in with Google if you want. If you want to sign in by providing your username, email or mobile, simply enter your username, email or mobile over here. Now after entering the username, email or mobile, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here what you have to do is enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option forget password. After that you'll be able to reset it. But if you remember your password, simply enter your password over here. If you want to check your password, you can click on the eye icon that you can see right over here. Now after you enter your password, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you sign in Yahoo account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.